Frosted window graphics in office spaces. Elevate your workplace with elegance and productivity. Your office space is more than just a place to work. It's a reflection of your brand and a hub for productivity. To create an environment that fosters creativity, professionalism, and privacy, consider the magic of frosted window graphics. In this video, we'll delve into the world of frosted window graphics and their incredible potential in office spaces. 1. Privacy and productivity unleashed. Open floor plans are the modern norm, but they often lack the privacy essential for focused work. Frosted window graphics can be strategically placed to create individual workspaces without compromising the influx of natural light. Enjoy the best of both worlds: an open collaborative environment and private, productive nooks. 2. Branding in every detail. Your office space is a canvas for branding. Frosted window graphics seamlessly incorporate your brand's elements, whether it's your logo, color scheme, or tagline. This constant reminder reinforces your identity among employees and clients, fostering a strong brand culture. 3. Versatility. The design possibilities with frosted window graphics are boundless. From elegant geometric patterns to custom designs reflecting your company's unique identity, these graphics offer versatility that aligns with your office aesthetics and culture. Transform mundane glass surfaces into captivating works of art. 4. A cost-effective makeover. Redesigning entire office spaces can be budget-busting. Frosted window graphics provide a cost-effective alternative to breathe new life into your workplace. Achieve a modern, updated look without breaking the bank. 5. Low-maintenance brilliance. Keeping your office looking pristine is a breeze with frosted window graphics. They are easy to clean and maintain, ensuring your office always looks its best with minimal effort. Say goodbye to the high maintenance associated with some other design elements. 6. Natural light illuminated. One of the biggest concerns with office privacy solutions is the potential loss of natural light. Frosted window graphics are designed to maintain the influx of sunlight while offering the privacy you need. Enjoy a well-lit, inviting workspace throughout the day. 7. Tailored solutions for your unique office. Every office is different, and your frosted window graphics should reflect that. Whether you need discrete logo placement or full-scale window coverage, we've got you covered. AGC, your partner in office transformation. At AGC, we understand that the right office environment is crucial for productivity and success. Frosted window graphics provide the perfect blend of aesthetics, privacy, and branding. Join the growing list of businesses that have transformed their office spaces with AGC. Contact us today to start your office's journey of elegance, productivity, and distinction. Visit us at www.americangraphiccontractors.com for more information.